Two events that share no outcomes are said to be mutually exclusive. So this is the event version of what we were called these disjoint before. And if you're thinking about Venn diagrams, this is what happened when the intersection of the two of them was empty. If there's nothing in the intersection of the two sets, if there's nothing in there, or if you could draw your Venn diagram like this, you would say that the two sets are disjoint. Mutually exclusive means the same thing, except now we're talking about outcomes and we're talking about events. It's just slightly different vocabulary, but it means the same sort of thing. So if we roll a six-sided die, let E be the event that we roll an even number, and F be the event you roll a 1 or a 3. So let's think about our sample space here. We're rolling a six-sided die. Our outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Okay, that's easy enough. E is the event we roll an even number, 2, 4, 6. F is the event you roll a 1 or a 3. E and F are said to be mutually exclusive because you can see there's no common outcomes between the two of them. If F happens, you know that E did not happen because there's no way. If F happened, that means you either rolled a 1 or a 3, and thus you know that E did not happen because you know if you rolled a 1 or a 3, you did not roll a 2, 4, or 6. An equivalent way to saying that they're mutually exclusive is by talking about their intersection. So the probability of E intersect F, well, E intersect F, if you kind of look at the, however you want to do this, if you start off with F and then you cross everything out, you can see we end up getting the probability of the empty set. This is going to be n of the empty set over n of S. Well, the number of elements in the empty set, there are no elements in the empty set. And there was 6. We get 0 out of 6, which is a probability of 0. So in general, if we're talking about the probability of any two mutually exclusive events, the probability of their intersection, that is, will have to be 0 because there are no outcomes that are shared between them.